All right, we have the WINHL space heater right here, and we're going to be doing a sound test on all of the modes. So first, let's get this powered on. In the first mode, we're going to start right off the highest setting for the heat. Second highest, let's get the soft oscillation mode. Now eco. Fan mode. And that's it. It's super quiet. The only time you heard it get a little bit louder was when I did go to the fan mode, which makes sense. So, you're not getting a crazy loud space heater. I hope you guys are happy with that. I'm sure your neighbors are happy with that. I'm sure your dog is happy with that. So, get yourself a WINHL space heater and save the frustration of listening to this all night because it is a quiet machine. I hope you guys have a great night.